Western counties until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wheeler County, eastern Gray County, northwestern Killingsworth County, northwestern Donley County, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, two severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes, the first located 6 miles southeast of Lake McClellan and the second located over Clarendon, were moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clarendon, McLean, Howardwood, Lake McClellan, Allen Reed, Kellerville, and Greenbelt Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide these tornadoes. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Killingsworth, Donley, Gray, and Wheeler. Significant